What is the primary function of a sandbox environment in cybersecurity? To store sensitive production data, to run untrusted programs or open suspicious files in an isolated, secure environment, to provide network connectivity to the internet, to serve as a honeypot for attackers, to perform large-scale vulnerability scans. Correct answer: to run untrusted programs or open suspicious files in an isolated, secure environment. Explanation: a sandbox is an isolated testing environment that enables users to run programs or open files without affecting the main system or network. It's used to analyze suspicious code, malware, or potentially malicious websites safely. Which type of malicious actor typically operates with limited technical skills and often uses pre-made tools to launch attacks? Nation-state actor, organized crime group, hacktivist, script, kitty insider, threat. Correct answer: script kiddie. Explanation: a script kiddie is an unskilled individual who uses scripts or programs developed by others to attack computer systems and networks and deface websites. They typically lack a deep understanding of the underlying vulnerabilities. What is the purpose of the ping command line utility? To display network configurations, to test network connectivity and measure round-trip time to a destination host, to resolve domain names to IP addresses, to display active network connections to capture network packets. Correct answer: to test network connectivity and measure round-trip time to a destination host. Explanation: the ping command sends ICMP echo request packets to a target host and listens for echo replies used to verify host reachability and measure the time it takes for packets to travel to and from the host. Which security principle states that users and processes should have only the minimum necessary access to perform their authorized functions? Defense in depth. Separation of duties, least privilege, confidentiality, due diligence. Correct answer: least privilege. Explanation: the principle of least privilege dictates that a user, program, or process should be granted only the essential permissions needed to perform its job and no more. This limits potential damage in case of compromise. What is a water cooler attack in the context of social engineering? An attack that uses a malicious USB drive. An attack that involves listening to conversations in public or semi-public spaces to gather information. An attack that floods a network with traffic. An attack that exploits a software vulnerability. An attack that targets individuals over email. Correct answer: an attack that involves listening to conversations in public or semi-public spaces to gather information. Explanation: a water cooler attack is a social engineering technique where an attacker attempts to gather sensitive information by eavesdropping on casual conversations in informal settings, such as around a water cooler or in public places.